Yeah, hey, good morning. What's up? Hope all is good. So let me just put this one down here. There's not much time to prepare pre-show, pre-market open, and pre-open, voila, show. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to directly get into this. I'm holding some positions from last week. I mean, I don't normally hold positions overnight, but this one was exceptions. Nvidia, I knew that it's gonna drop down, and then it heavily dropped down. If you go and back check the show, you will see that what I did. Just let me check to see what OBS is showing at the moment. Yay. So OBS is showing this thing half through. Okay, SQQQ. You can see I'm holding lots of positions only, but because it's just I'm using max buying power. I have 6% free margin, and I'm just hoping the moment that the market opens, I'm going to close all of my positions. I'm not keen into holding, and I'm going to start fresh today with the, you can see down at the left, I have had lots of demo trial tests going on different accounts, but this one was the one that I have been doing it. I dipped down a little bit last week, but it's gonna be all coming back in. 28, 19, 28, 29. Well, as I said, the moment that market opens, I'm going to close everything. And well, it could drop down and go deeper, but we'll see. You can see on the left, you can see down here that for me it's downside, and we are opening near where it goes. Normally it's gonna come up and then drops. The moment that it's gonna come up, I will look into some levels to short, and then I'm going to slam dunk this thing. Trade station. Let me try open trade station to get my levels going on, and it is market officially open. Let me put this thing. I also wanted to look at chart demo market data. Yeah. Today I will do lots of script demo, script testing, script trial. Oh, I'm so orange. Let me turn this off. There you go. It's beautiful, it's cloudy, but there you go, it's much better. So it's open, but it's not open in MetaTrader yet. It opens a little bit later. I'm waiting this thing to open. It's putting me in a very bad position. Especially that it's opening and pushing to the upside. Closing at market order was not that bad anyway. Okay, so let's see what we are getting off of the. First of all, I'm going to today I'm starting a little bit late. This spot is just okay because what I need doesn't form in the first 5 minutes of the market. And I'm a little bit bearish today on Nvidia, especially because of the daily formation, and we'll get in a second. Let me actually. Oh, IQ is closed. Normally I don't hold positions overnight, but it's just sometimes when it is this clear that we have a bearish day, I do. I mean, I just take advantage of aftermarket, and but as it's opening a little bit late, it didn't impact my position much today. I'm going to keep my eye on the. Let me see if I. Oh, this could be actually Nvidia's long run. I don't know. We'll see in a second. I've said that I'm going to play some music here, but there you go. Great. Good. Okay, let's look at the levels. Suture after the suture. Okay. SQQQ. Oh, I have to cook. Okay, this ungodly thing doesn't open. I don't know why. Let me open the app. Normally it is right on point. I don't know why today it's doing this. It's open. There you go. So let's look at let's look at the news today. Let me see what we have. It's giving a good long signal. I'm getting a good long signal off of R3. Well, I should actually do something else so you see what I'm talking about. Okay. Well, down here you can see what I'm talking about. Down here you can see what I'm talking about on here. So we have SPY pushing up on a hammer, Qs are pushing, and SOXL, which is the semiconductor ETF, is also pushing to the upside. On the other hand, the hammer on NVIDIA R3 on daily is something that I would be interested if it breaks above 3187. I will be interested. 87. It's all about up here. And my stop would be down here. So basically I'm looking at 87. There you go. It's here. It's around 128. I'm gonna go in with 200 shares. Obviously 50 cents higher. Obviously 50 cents higher due to ridiculous spread. Well, we'll see now. It's good. I don't like the semiconductors is showing weakness. If it's to the upside, that would be good. Let me just check I mean, I cannot show you AMD, but maybe I can. That's ridiculous. There you go. Much better. So my stop has 87. So I'm $1.80 and up here at 60 would be where I take partial. So I wanted to check today's news. Forex Piece Army or Forex Factory, either way, they provide a robust calendar. Not much going on now, but later today they're gonna be FOMC speech. Someone gonna talk. Who cares? And it's gonna be something that may impact the market when I'm not even in trade anymore. So let me just do something. I wouldn't like to have all of the private information showing, so I would rather prefer to do this. All right, so let's see what's going on here. So there is It doesn't push as much as I want because everything is going southbound. SPY is falling heavily, and now we are all in red. Look at the spread, 80 cents a spread. SPY deep down. We didn't check daily of these indicators. Range 1 day, range daily. Actually, please. I don't want 30 minutes daily. You can see SPY daily. It's bearish, and me being in a bullish position is a little bit unconstitutional. We have 40 more seconds to go, and we'll see how market will push. With risking 200, I'm making so far I have made 200 and it went to 400, but we'll see that how much I'm going to make now. Actually, I'm thinking about closing my position as not getting a push that I wanted to get for the open of the market. So at 51 second, it looks good. And well, instead of 400, I'm closing with 150. Now I will be looking into the break of this thing because I'm not a fan of what happened here. The moment that this candle goes to green, I will push it for a long. You can see a beautiful pattern here with SPY. This hammer is good, shows the power. Got the power. And but semiconductors are falling ugly. Qs they topped out, and we will see that if this becomes a all-day short. And as I mentioned, if it goes above, which it looks it's pushing to do so, goes green, I will hit it. Let's go. My target is 34.75, 434.75, which would be R4, because at that price I'm looking for short. And from now, what is my entry? My average is 33. 33. So by 34.75, I would have over 700 in profit, which translates to my daily goal, and I don't need to short it from there. So, but we'll see. I'm not getting the push that I wanted, so I might close this in positive, especially because of the spread, which it annoys me so much. I mean, I'm complaining about spread more than anything else here, but this is honest. It's just nasty. Look at that, I'm dealing with 45 cents of spread now. Qs are pushing. Qs broke HOD. Semiconductors are dipping, and this is conflicting indicator. SPY doesn't know where it wants to go. The ATR of NVIDIA at the moment is $1.49. Everyone is ripping, but why this one is... It's set to break even, although it may come back down and hit my stop, but whatever. So at the moment, $1. There you go. I told you. I told you. So this could be a game changer. Look at the inconsistency in volume. The biggest candle of the day doesn't have the highest volume. I read this as conflict. And you're watching something else. I'm reading it as a bearish signal, but it's gonna try to climb on top up here. I don't know. Let's see what happens. No news. Let me get some water. No news. No catalyst. Market is smooth. I'm not liking what I'm seeing here. Based on calculation of the based on calculation of the trading view, we are at R4. And I said I will install I'll put some music for this. So this probably would be the active part of the market. The most active part is messy. Look at the SPY, for God's sake. One candle coiling inside. Let me see if I downloaded. Oh, there you. Where are these thingies? Music. Download music. No, they're not. At the moment, we have just 3 soundtracks which gonna loop. Let me put this in a stream folder. So where's the stream? So as I said, like I can read this market and I can understand what's going on. I said this is a bearish signal. We are going down. I mean, I'm not going down. It is going down. It doesn't know where it wants to go. And from any point of view, the mess can get dirty. Like I'm talking about Qs and I'm talking about SPY. SPY can start from here and drop like 50 points. But maybe not. So let me just, where's OBS? So OBS, it's called music. Remove. Now I can play playlist. This is a good short, huh? This is a good short. Sehr gut. For the record, this is not stop loss. You can see this is $80 profit, but I had to close it in with um, okay. So our price is actually sitting on P, which is the pivot point, and it doesn't look like it wants to do anything interesting. Okay. This, I probably have to cut this short for a second, restart and come back. And that's why you always prepare, you use a secondary system to record, and you use output of this system as one input. So the stream doesn't stop, but here is not that sophisticated, and I'm just doing it as a, how can I put it in words? As a personal diary, online diary. As I told you, it's a, ooh, what happened here? And as I said, this could be a good short, and which is, you can see, but I have no strategy for trading this, so I'm not gonna. SPY going southbound is not something that it's out of predictions, huh? And if I held my short starting now, I would be in profit, but I had to go first dip back into all of the profits made. Yeah, so now on SPY, we are actually at value, and SPY is doing a hammer. And you can see down here the hammer format. Oh, what I wanted, MT5 candlestick. Okay. So Qs are doing, you can see it at the bottom, down here at the bottom. Down here, we are getting a hammer at LOD. And this could be, indeed, a very bullish sign. But again, market is crazy. Market is crazy is a bad word to say. Market is a little bit super excited. Market is a bit overexcited. That's the word. Market is a little bit extra excited, or I'm adding a indicator to get alert on hammers. That's what actually I'm looking for. I'm not looking for anything It doesn't look like I need to restart actually the whole system for two different purposes. So I guess I will finish the stream now. I'm getting a call. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so let's see.
Analytics.
I don't like this hammer form under R3.
Sunday basis.
So this could be a good long. Let me take a look at this. Yeah, yeah, we have a little bit of room to go. This would be $1.20, 400. So this is bad, very bad. All is going southbound on a fake move. We'll see. If it goes red, I will close this position right now. Ungodly spread on Nvidia. The position is not verified, confirmed by any of other measures that I take to control my position size. Any of none of other I cannot verify this position anymore. So this is actually a good short. The moment that it breaks this way, there you go. My stop would be above here. So the loss of this position together they were 400, around $420. which I'm pretty sure is gonna be recovered now. Again, spread. Okay. So already 700 in. So I'm 500 away from my, no, yeah, 500. Well, I mean, I'm gonna let this one to go 1,000. I'm going to close it down here. It's gonna be a full, oh no, not only are gonna recover the loss that it just made, but also are gonna be closer to my daily goal. I'm 1,000 shares in now, which with $1 something, which is just right in front. It could easily be. Look at the spread. Look at the spread. Look at the spread. $1. Are you serious? So I'm approaching my daily goal. One minute something left from this candle. It's gonna push and continue going down. This is what I think. I don't have crystal ball to tell. From 1,400 positive, now it's around 300. This is not something that I like. It's gonna push down though. Pretty sure that it's gonna push down. Give me a second. It's around 300 or 400. And next 3 seconds, we'll see the fate of this candle. And if it doesn't push, I'll close it. 1,000, 1,120. Good. 1,400. This is good. And I'm all out. Yeah, so there was a loss of 400. I recovered that, and well, with all of whatever that I have done today, 15,000 on a demo account, but it's a demo account anyway, and it's just performance review situation. Normally, I just got $2. Normally, it was $1.70 or 2R. Okay. Mm-hmm. You look at the SPY, Jesus. So I open. I don't know why Nvidia is not following the suit. Let's go. I opened a heavy position, looking into a drop now to yesterday's low. This is a heavy position, so I'm going to be very careful with the outcome. Okay, this is good in my direction, but the spread again. Look at that. I'm already 50 cents in profit, but spread doesn't let me go. It's absolute. It's a suicide to trade with Mex Atlantic, whatever crap that it is. They just control the spread, and the moment that market goes against you, well, they release the spread and then they tighten it up in your against you. So it's just a gain of mine. It's just. So we have 1 more minute to go. So I saw minus 2000 here. So that would be my point of reference. So the moment that I'm plus 2000, that would be 1 hour of risk for me. Because for me at the moment, 90, 28, 428, 95 is the exit point. So I cannot just go in, do charity, give them money, and then come out. So I just go in, make at least as much as I have spent, and then come out. So it's dropping now. Let's see. And again, spread. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so as I said, on 2000 I will close, and spread is not letting me. The difference of the spread for me right now is 1 month of average salary here in Belgium. Like 2,500, easy to 5,500 of just jumping up and down, numbers going up and down and playing around. So now I'm looking at a sweet drop. Hopefully it comes, and as it did this dance, I'm not so keen into keeping this position open anymore. As soon as we are back into green zone, I'm going to just close it. Unbelievable, unbelievable what this huge spread is doing to me. Now they are cracking. SPY and Nvidia, SPY and Qs are losing the tail. So as SOXL. I'm looking into at the moment $1.84 is the ATR of 5 minutes. I'm being held by my neck down here with this spread. Look, it's just filtering. It's just filtering the price, and I'm out. Instead of 5,000 at some point it went to 2,700 that went to profit. I'm closing with 800, and I'm not gonna trade today anymore. Okay, so I'm done for today, and that would be it for me. As I said, that I'm looking into short. Okay, let me actually show you trades. As I said, as what I mentioned, I'm more short bias for today, but there was a long position based on the hammer that showed up on before pre-market, and then I got in. I got out all when this thing happened, and it didn't force. I had to let something happen. This didn't end well. This didn't end well, and then I entered short and closed all of them down here. And that would be it for me today. There's not much else, and yeah, this was my paint threshold. I wanted to add a lot up here, but it's like, you know what, I don't want to. Just you can see how great I captured this move, and how good it was down here, and up to down here I was already green on the day, but it was good that I wanted more, but at the end this didn't happen. I could short it from up here, which would have even made me more money, but I didn't. And look, now it is dropping. Are you serious? Like, look at Express. Look at Express. Look at this with 10 cents. As soon as I enter to this goddamn thing, spread gonna be $1 again. You wanna see? Look at this. There you go. There you go. You see that? You see that? You see that? The moment that I entered, it went against me, and the spread widened. The moment that I opened it on the other platforms, it's just in front of me. It's just there. It's just down there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is just a test to show you that how filthy this broker is. Banks, Max Atlantic Corporation, whatever crap that it is. Well, it's not my first day in Forex market. I know dirty games that these brokers play. All of them. I have seen MetaCode's management panel. Look, spread 60 cents, 50 cents. And when it goes against, oh, it's 10 cents. Oh, the spread should be tight. Let's see. This thing goes green, I'm out, close all out. But I don't think it's gonna go green now. We'll see. I'm preparing to close the position. It was just a demo to show you that how this broker behaves. I'm on the other side now. You will see that they're gonna widen the spread and they're gonna do the same thing. I close it with minus for 400 something. I will see that what does it do now. Okay, I close it 1,500, all of them again. What was this? It was 500, 700 negative previous, and now I'm closing 700. I'm just not gonna do this anymore. Okay, so back to do everything, deposit, whatever, leverage, whatever. I'm doing a test the other side. All right, so that would be it for today. And I am out for today. Done. A good, nice day, and take care and see you tomorrow.